Hello and welcome back. This is Steve Bucks Coin, so welcome back to the channel. This coin is a special coin. It shows Her Majesty the Queen on it, and it is it's a coin from 1958. Now you may think that this coin is actually a crown. Well, no, it isn't. It's actually a commemoration dollar from Canada. And I think is it Ralph Makaloff, or is it his portrait? Looks like it. No, it won't be. It's Mary what's its name? I can't remember her name now. This dollar is sometimes referred to as a totem dollar, and for obvious reasons. Now, this is a British Columbia. It's a dollar coin, and it's to celebrate 100 years of British Columbia. It has as its main centre point a totem pole and some hills there on the left hand side and whatever. Now the reason why this coin is a bit how can I put it, notorious, shall we say, is this coin is also known as a death dollar. Now the reason is that when they manufactured this coin, they used an Indian totem pole from British Columbia, from the tribe that was in British Columbia, or whose territory British Columbia was in. What they didn't know when they did this particular one is that one of the faces on the totem pole actually represents death and end of life and all the rest of it. So this dollar has been given the nickname the Death Dollar. Now this one is 80% silver, and as you can see it is tarnishing slightly around the outer edges. It's not as crisp, or it does have some fingerprints on, and what I might do is, it came in this coin flip to me, so what I might do is actually take it out of the coin flip that it's in, rub it, give it a rub and a little bit of a polish up, without actually using polish. Just use a soft cloth, because there's fingerprints on that coin and all sorts. So what I will do is I'll take it out of the flip, as I said, buff it up with a dry cloth, not actually altering any of the tarnishing or anything like that, not using any cleaning materials, just give it a buff up to take away the fingerprints, and hopefully that will stop it tarnishing too much, because it's the oils in your fingers that can sometimes help age and tarnish a coin. Now, would you want this with the infamous name as a death dollar? Would you want this as part of your collection? I've taken the chance to put it in there. It's a myth. It may even be correct that I believe the story that the totem does have a death face in it, or death mask within it. However, I think this gives a little bit of an edge to this coin, I suppose is a nice way of putting it. I actually quite like this coin. I like the way it looks. It's different from anything else I've seen in a long time. What do you think of this coin? You know, please use the comment field below. Tell me, what do you think of this coin? Would you want it in your collection, having got the name of a death dollar? I actually quite like it, and I'm very happy to have it in my collection. So, as I've said on a few videos just recently, I'm trying to grow the channel this year. My aim is to grow it significantly. And I've not made a bad start in the first 2 or 3 months. I have increased the subscriptions. However, I've still got room for improvement. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give me the thumbs up. Oh, let me come out. Let me come out. As I say, if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you believe I've deserved it, please think seriously about subscribing to the channel. I know that only around about 50% of the people who view the channel on a regular basis actually are subscribed, so if I can get you other 50% or a good majority of it, my subscription level will go up quite significantly. So my channel has 4 videos a week, so hopefully, or you should be able to find something there for you to enjoy. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are collecting coins by buying them, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And final thank you from me for staying to the end of the video. And until we meet again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, ta-ra now, bye-bye.